high-protein food to build muscle. Are you struggling to hit your daily protein goals? Don't worry, we have the solution for you. Taking in up to 100 extra grams of protein with these 5 nutritious foods will help transform your body in no time. Start your morning off right with a protein-packed breakfast of eggs. They are a nutrient-dense food, providing an array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants important for overall health. Eating eggs can help reduce cholesterol levels, improve eye health, and provide the body with much-needed proteins. Fish is a great source of protein and can also help reduce inflammation associated with chronic illnesses. The average 3-ounce serving size of cooked fish provides about 17 grams of protein, which is about a third of the daily recommended intake for adults. It is also packed with essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, vitamin D, magnesium, and calcium. Omega-3s are essential fatty acids that are important for heart health, brain function, and joint health. They can help lower blood pressure, support a healthy inflammatory response in the body, and improve cholesterol levels. Almonds are also a great choice for improving your health. They're an excellent source of protein and provide other valuable nutrients like magnesium, vitamin E, and fiber. They help keep your blood sugar levels stable, promote healthy cholesterol levels, and reduce inflammation. Plus, almonds are loaded with antioxidants to help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. A great way to consume them is to have them as a snack throughout the day or use them in recipes that call for nuts and seeds. Cottage cheese is another great source of protein and can make for a snack or meal side. It provides several health benefits and is high in protein and low in fat. One serving contains 13 grams of protein, making it an ideal snack for those trying to build muscle or maintain a healthy weight. Lastly, protein shakes and smoothies are convenient and effective ways to increase your protein intake. Whey concentrate is a great way to lose weight and packs a hefty punch of essential proteins that help the body stay energized. Plus, it supports healthy inflammatory responses and promotes healthy muscle growth. For a complete hormonal balance, try Recovery Sauce. Our blend of natural ingredients helps stimulate muscle growth and improve performance in the bedroom. Plus, with every serving, you'll enjoy improved energy and exercise recovery too. So don't wait any longer, start increasing your protein intake with these 5 nutritious foods today and get ready to transform your body.